Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and after that I decide what to work on today. The working is the attach mode of the tower builder, or subtype, however I want to call it. One command in the terminal to start, wait for a few lines to appear in here so I know it's ready. Oh no, I just play one random round. Don't need any test ones. Okay, it should be ready at once in the browser. Closed for me. I think for a moment I think I don't want to reset, so let's take musician today, or should I? I think I play a sniper again against big enemies, so I'm in the middle, exercise enemies, close to them they attack me. Above my head is my HP. If reaches 0, I die. If I die, the high score based on how far away from the middle I died, so the goal is to get as far away as possible. I get stronger the more enemies I kill, and enemies get stronger the further away I am from the middle. So, short introduction, I take stay still. And a speed boost. The sniper, the start is always easy. Because I can shoot enemies before they can see me. Let's take more rifles. Low trade. I take split shot. And I take another speed. Oh. Maybe below it? No. Lucky. Okay, this was dangerous when they attack from all directions. But okay. Stay still synergy, this is good. Additional charge, definitely. Synergies, I think, a lot of value. At least as long as I don't lose my stacks. Oh, what? Aim? Aiming, but I survived. Ooh, this was could have been my death. Didn't wait long enough. I take no mischain it is, I guess. Cooldown reduction. Uh, okay. Same. Okay. Something one so weird passes, but this is dangerous. Okay, okay. Um, okay, I'm died. Didn't think a bit. Could have definitely survived, but I got hit once. Clock. Hit by 2 shoots shortly after each other. I failed, but okay, this was 1-1. I am back to the attached mode. I have still a lot of behaviors which don't work out. I need to think a bit. I first need to activate this here. Yes, it's here. Oh no, I first need, but I can do this. But let's change only selects main version. And not 84 today. I've activated it. I need to probably check again. All towers work, tower level incorrect, line damage not working always, it sometimes works. So I still didn't delete, so I have here my enemy. Here, if my this line doesn't do damage, this tower also not. These two, they all work. So this is King was, I think, not broken. I go here. It's not. I thought I already fixed this. I need to. If I triggered. Still not. One into here. Still not. Confused. Still also not. I thought they worked already. Let's shortly pause and check what is happening here. Zoom. No, they are black, so the faction should be enemy. So I don't check against tick ability or something. So I have ability. More infos? No, I am not interested in more infos. What did I do? This is not the breakpoint I want. Tick ability tower here. Okay, now let's check. Ability owner is my faction enemy. Type is king, so I'm correct in here. I have these. I move their position and I tick. Now the interesting part happens. Faction enemy. They don't tick. What is the time? 9 damage, neck damage. Okay, I have timer which was not reset. Ooh, I see. And this explains why it can work and sometimes not. This means I go to ability tower. I now need to reset. If ability tower, ability object attached, then I need to go over them. Ability tower attached. Damage next damage tick is undefined. Is it? Yes, it can be undefined and something else. Specific damage for faction. I have to find out, I guess. Might be more stuff behind. I said. Una enemy level. It doesn't matter. I have made one fix at least. This might already fix a lot of stuff. It moved. Doesn't matter. So now I assume. Okay, I did not scale. So the line did damage, and it hit me for 1782 damage. This is not correct. This means let's see a bit. Game state or stuff bosses. Is the fifth boss? Find the tower ability. They are attached. Damage. Okay, these are the damage numbers. The ability. 150 shoot. I don't reset the damage, I guess. Let's verify. Because normally I set them. Okay, I get an idea. The ability to enemy level. I go over all attached. But I get tower connect count level. This means I set the abilities to a level. But the level I get here, I don't know. To boss level. I could. It doesn't matter. Let's do a bit ability objects. Okay, for object of ability objects. Object tower. And object tower is object tower damage is equals. I do something like this. This might be fine. Let's see. Oh, it's 12. Ah, because it's also buffed by connections. That's one here. Now interested in this word. Here I cannot see if it does damage. Fireline, perfect. Fireline is also... Okay, this should help me a bit clean up. Perfect. Oh no, he dies on the fire line. Here. Sword is not doing damage. I believe I don't get sword damage, I cannot see it. Let's check here again. Oh, take it away. Oh, no sword damage. Can I find out why? Did I not reset something in the sword? Don't reset. Oh, this might... That ability. Do I have a reset ability? In ability? Don't think so, so I could export function ability. This would be an ability. This needs, I get the ability functions, I check if it has a reset, then I call resets, and I check if I upgrade functions and do this. And I don't have continuous, I have return. Then he's happy. That ability now I might want to... No, this is duplicated. Let's call it single ability. This? Don't know. I think I can use reset ability. Sure. Okay, reset ability. Attached. Doesn't need to have an ability. It's probably could possibly have attached ability. Please reset. Okay, next try. I think this was sword damage. Tower line. No, there was no tower line. Okay, no sword damage. This means pause for a moment. Point. Here was. Give me an ability. Shoot is not happening, so next shoot time, it was not resetted. How do I... Does shooting not have a reset? Interesting. Okay, let's copy a reset from somewhere. Okay, necessary, but shoot. Ability, shoot. Can call it shoot. Shoot time is undefined. What? -1 I used, okay. Old version, I guess. Yes. I order them a bit. Delete C T C S enemy box level. I think this is somewhat fine. And should reset, but does this mean should reset sword does not reset E, I would assume. There are other values I should reset. Random? Don't think I need this. Is it ice aura? Ability. I think ice aura next tick time is undefined. Sword. I wanted to check. Oh, it doesn't have a reset. Set. Still have the copy. Still have the copy, okay. Sword. Sword. Next tick time. Okay. Single target. Next attack time, I guess. Set. Ability. Single target. Not next shoot time, but next attack time. It's undefined here. It's not shoot, it's single. Okay. that's why. Still not. I was definitely in. I cannot. Let's see. First of all, if my... Okay, shoot also did not happen. It's not reset. But I linked the reset on shoot. So I should verify if my reset happens. It should happen, shouldn't it? Because I do it for the lines, they work. Okay, so I should check resetability, I guess. On Fidelity Tower, reset. It is in here. I don't care for now. Let's go here. Now I care. So I have ability, I have attached, I have a tower, and I have a shoot time. I have ability, shoot, I go into reset. I am in... What? Oh no, I see the problem. 2 times the same. I should have seen it. No, this name is used multiple times. Ability, resetability. This is an exported one. So this explains my problem. Okay, now let's see. I am interested. Oh, it's shooting. It's already promising. Does damage. Is this thing? Doesn't do anything. What is the third tower? Does it not connect to me? Maybe. I think for a moment. do the same as always, I guess. It's a game. I need tower, fire circle. Fire circle, indeed, fire circle I did not yet do. Already know we set on here, correct. Gets reset. I think one more down. One more. Also creates in the rest. Fire circle. Have some next time, next recharge. No. Next, maybe it's next recharge time. Okay, this also uses -1. This used charges, okay, but I don't really use it. And I need to link the ability. So, you know, it's overwritten. Okay, it's working. Let's go here. Commit log, tower line, fire circle 20. I think these are the values I put in there. So shoot is happening. The word I did not. Did I? Okay, third is happening. Let's see what else. What are you? See. Does it do damage to me? I also have. And I have to check what the damage is. 300. Okay, this is so heavy. It is 2. I should activate less towers, I guess. I think a moment. Single target is the one missing, I guess. I do see fire circle, shoot. Okay, let's check if I see anything wrong with single target. And this might be number 4 or 3. Has our worked for a single target? Next attack time. I think this is a valid time. It has a target ID maybe? Which it doesn't reset. Have a next attack time. If I don't have a target, I reduce the timer. target is alive, it's only if I find out that he's not alive. This is not good. But I see what I did. I don't. So I don't find the target, I don't reset. This was the idea. In here, if I have a target ID, a target ID, I did not find the target, I reduce, and if I reach 0, I have to reduce single target. Target ID is undefined. Because target doesn't exist, he will not go in here. Okay, this is a reset condition. It was never valid until now. Interesting. Would have? No, I never had attached mode. Yes, okay. I understand. I don't need you. Here, this is the one. Okay. Okay, now all work, I guess. But the shoot scales, interestingly. The swords don't. Wouldn't it be 2 swords? No, it's 1 connection. Okay, fine. Only this shoot is going. Yes, this I did. I did this. Oh God. To see 100 from the line? Yes, okay. Want to see how much the shoot does. Tower shoot 600. Okay. Okay, I am very tanky, I guess. Yes. With damage 150. I hurt so much. Okay, let's see. On. Okay, he added more. Now it's 300. Or more, it's 450. But this is. And I'm okay. It's now, I think all damage values are in. I should reduce the tower count, I guess. Restart. So this means I feel like most stuff is working. I want to limit to was level. This is normal, but if I have ability attached, then it changes to 3 plus level, I would say. 2 plus level. Or is it times 2 instead of times 3? I need. This is now very random how hard the boss is based on my tower setup. I don't really care, do I? So I have 3. 12 damage, 150. This is. Now I don't have. No, he is a high. Yes, he is just a high. 2, 3, 4. Fire line. This chain. Okay. This should help me a lot. Let's put another 54. Oh god. I mean, it's. This, oh no, is this 88? Oh wait, 114. Oh god. I guess time will tell. This is now my 600, 600. Oh, this is heavy. If I block it, I cannot hit a second one. Okay. Definitely better. Always depends on the player, but this is fine. So I have towers work. Tower levels are. At least this one looked correct. It's now working. It was not working, all that's because of the timer. IDs, it looked fine to me. Okay, these are lots of fixes. Tower builder, attach subtype fixes. I think this is all fixed. Check king change and refresh browser, see if IDs are correct. What was the problem? Forgot already. There are IDs. These IDs are relevant for. I already am on the reset path. In theory, this should be already correct. Add button to rotate tower. Check tower connected to ID. I remember what I mean. Balance different choices, limit place range. But I have to start higher, but I might want to start lower, limit it differently. Okay, I will put in a different place limit, I guess. Max click range 1500. If I go and upgrade, create ability tower upgrade option, no execute ability tower upgrade options. I go to attached and I go to ability tower, max click range. Let's halve it. I don't know if halving is fine. Let's find out. Probably attached. Okay, I don't want more. Okay, I think this is fine. That's what I have to work with. So I should also add this line for increase max towers from. I did have an extra function for these upgrades. Let's do it this way. Get more additional towers for upgrades. Higher range to place towers. Okay. And now I have the rotate idea. But button to rotate towers. How does this work normally? This is something like reload, isn't it? Which affects a different ability. Tower. Let's call it tower rotate. I name always name tower rotate. Tower rotate. Do I need two different? No. Can probably add it 2 times for both directions. Wait, ability, no. Ability, snipe, reload, ability, tower, rotate. Go clockwise. Boolean correct. Nothing is correct here, is it? If I do this, he's now happy. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. No. Let's find them again. Didn't see what was wrong. Correctly. Rotate. Doesn't fit clockwise. It's not unique. I only get it once, so paintability, there's nothing to be painted. Near the UI, yes, I can do. Can even keep this image, interesting. Yes, I can. Did name tower? Ability tower. I don't reload, but do I need to change this tower? Yeah, I need to add something. Let's keep this error. Get ability next. No, get ability name UI text. Import small group. Yes, small group. Okay, I mainly need cast reload. This is not reload. Let's call it. Still have image reload. This is fine. Now I need tower. This is tick related. Ability tower. Yes, I need now rotate. Rotate clockwise. Can be not set and can be bool. So I have no can be boolean. Now, what are the errors? This is basically just tower rotate clockwise equals ability rotate. No. What? Because I don't. Yes, I see. Ability owner tower wants to rotate. Oh, 8. Rotate. No, rotate. I have rotate. This has clockwise. Cast rotate. I also want to stop if I click it the second time. So I should check. These are the same. Else I put it to undefined. Okay. So I can stop it now in theory. Now I need to add the ability basically. Let's on reset stop rotation. Ability tower rotate clockwise undefined. At least I will do this for now. And I will think for a moment. Was my time? Wasn't enough time? Tower rotate. I want to add it, I guess, when I execute this upgrade. So here I need to add an ability. This means check how I did it here. Add ability to character. I also need the character class. Okay. I have something like wait ability tower rotate. Doesn't find it. Wait ability tower. Let's find it. Here I do wait ability. This exported like this. Wow, this is bad. Tower rotate. And I do rotate clockwise is Boolean. It's true by default. Here I put clockwise. And now it makes sense. Rotate, this now exists. ID counter, undefined. Player input binding. I need a player input binding. Did I do this? Ability. Is this ability 2? Need one. And the last one is. Oh, and now I could say it's a false. This one is something I need to import. The counter is state, no, game state. Have it, perfect. We need I find the character class somewhere. Oh. Once jar class is a character classes, find if the class ID is equals ability tower class ref ID. I can force it here. And if jar class found, then I can do this. Or does he accept undefined as a character class? He does. Interesting. Now I have the abilities. Let's see. Attach towers, it crashes. I am unsure what happened here. Create more infos abilities. Ability function, create ability more infos. Have no ability functions. This is correct. Then I understand now what the problem is. Then I search for reloads. I did miss it, I guess. 2 reloads. At ability tower rotate. This needs to go to ability. Okay, now it should not crash anymore. Is that too fast? Hello? Okay, here it happens. Q and E. I will learn. I mean, if I could mirror the image, this would be perfect. Let's see. I first of all need to act on this value when I tick ability. For each tower, I tick ability object tower. Okay, I think I should be able to do it here. If ability tower, rotate clockwise, else if clockwise is false, because I don't want undefined. I hope they are different values. They should be. So this is true. Then I want to rotate. This means I need to rotate. Where do I have a rotate function somewhere? Rotate. CTX rotate. No, it's not. Rotate. Do you suggest anything? Doesn't seem like it. Tower rotate. I always do CTX rotate, but never I have my own rotate. But I think I want my own function and calculation for it I have somewhere. Think for a moment. My shaders to rotate. F. One more. F the code. Copy from a different project. Rotate. Finally. Where is my rotate function? Okay. This should be it. So I want a rotate function. I will add it to it. Don't think main does it. Create game. No, I have it in main game mostly. Okay, I will add something here. So export function rotate around point. I have position, and angle is a number. I return a position. Do I return a position? I don't change the point itself. So first I translate over, then I sine, angle, as cosinus, rotate, and then I return. This is it, I guess. Thinking for a second. Fine. Rotate at one point. Ability tower rotate. I do it here. So this means const, because I don't change it. I get it. Oh, this works, okay. Rotated point is rotate one point. Have a point. This is ability tower. I have a pivot, which is ability owner. And I have an angle of 0.01 maybe. And at the end I'd say object tower x is rotated point x, and same for y. Ability tower doesn't object tower. And clockwise and counterclockwise. Let's try something like this. It does react if I press a button. it only when I press it. I'm confused. Tick ability. Also, I have a problem. I don't only do it for the active towers, but I don't know. They will not match over time. I have to do it for all. Okay, move them out. And do it for all. But this should not have been the problem. Why it is problematic. It felt like he is cast rotate. Don't think I reset it. Only here I change it, do I? Let's console log rotate. Rotate clockwise and rotate counterclockwise, I guess. So press E. What's happening? Well, but the position is not changing. So something is incorrect here. Let's increase the amount. Ah, I rotate to an angle. Ah, I see. Let's see. How can I change this? I have. This is not quite what I wanted, is it? Because I rotate to an angle. Do I? I'm confused. But this at least explains it. I am confused. Could rotate. This is not to an angle. But I cannot do it multiple times. I am confused. This is not doing what I expect. The values are set correctly. My rotation felt like it's also working. I changed the values behind it, so they should next round. Is it confusing me? I definitely want through here. It definitely results in the same position. And I set the tower position, so it should. I am confused. Sources, Litty Tower. And I take the Litty Tower. I do rotate here. Boiler Tower. Oh, in here this might be easier because I don't have any tower yet. Okay, now I am in here. I don't rotate yet. So now I rotate. I have -40 and 89. That changed. -42, -39. Let's remember this. -40. -40. This is why. Why is it not changed? So it's reset back to where it was before. What am I missing? Do I round the position or something? Then I would need a far bigger rotation value than I could see. Don't think so. Let's see. I currently am unsure. This is definitely a. It is working, but it's not remembering. I am confused. I am confused. It's shooting from the alt, is it? It's just painted here. Tick ability tower. It's not shooting from there. What? What do I get here? Something is broken and I don't see what. So let's find out a bit. Tick characters, tick ability. The thing I'm interested in. Do I have game here? Yes. State, players. I'm the 0 player. And I have my character. Then I have my abilities. And this is ability 0. And here I have ability objects attached. So this is the one. These have a position. Moment. Tower builder, attached towers. Oh, don't want to place another tower. I want to do the input here again. I think I can click here. Okay, perfect. So I have minus 33, 80.5. No. Here. Give them. No, here. Minus 33, 80.5. Perfect. Now I change these. Minus 33, minus 33. It's changed to minus 27. And now I come back here. And it's minus 33 again. Magic. Ah, I remember. I'm relative. Yes. Relative position is a position, so I could say I am stupid. Object tower relative. But the relative position is not related to ability owner. So this is x0, y0. I rotate around here. I was stupid. Do I still waypoint in? I can throw it away. And it's gone. And it's gone. It's gone. Oh yes. I have to rotate the relative position. They have to have these. The sniper rifle rotates. Should have. This is what I wanted. I feel like I want it to be a bit faster. Let's double it. I think this feels fine. even though it misses a lot, I guess, because it doesn't it doesn't consider the movement. It's not meant to move, basically. This word is now not hitting this well. I can slow it down. This would be more precise, though I would like faster speeds. Hmm. No. They are not guaranteed to be hit. Oh, this is interesting, at least. Question is, should I improve this? This makes the calculation more difficult. I keep it simple for now, I guess. Take me. Okay, now this is complete. I am interested in I have a button to rotate tower. I wanted to see if I can rotate the image. The tower rotate. Default UI. Refill percent. Draw image. I could mirror it. This is possible. Do I want it to be mirror icon? And it's false by default. Counter. Image name is in Gravefill percent counter. What was counter? Are you counting? Ah, okay, a number displayed. Image name. Draw start UI. I think this is mirrored. Have to try. Let and const mirror is mirror image is -1 1, and this is 1. No, the X is mirrored. Let's find out if this works. I don't think it does. I don't use it. Rotate. Okay, this is ability clock. Rotate. Ability as ability rotate. I have rotate clockwise. I make image name, then grayscale percent counter. 0 undefined, I guess. Oh no, undefined. Okay, it is this way. Yes, he moves it and it's not mirrored. Is it? Should it? If I do this, yes, okay, it did not do what I assumed it could. Let's go in here again. Did I mirror draw somewhere? Is it scaling negative or something? This doesn't work. Pretty sure I can do it. Did I do it anywhere? I did it somewhere. Is it in character paint? I remember the image load. I have an image load or image load? Yes, I have an image load. Wait, randomized character. Is this the one? Translate, save, scale. Yes, here's a scale -1 it is. Scale and is this the one? I need to translate it. Maybe. I will see. Ability. If mirror image, I will do this one. CTX canvas width. Currently unsure. X restore. Do I need to translate? Most likely yes. Where do I get the canvas? Here. I will find out, I guess. Okay, it is working. Now the images are incorrect. And I think I want Q first and then E, interestingly. Am I in control of it? So are the images incorrect in... Yes, they are. This means this is changed. Which one I rotate? But this is placed... No. How could this happen? It was just a coincidence, or what? Zero is definitely wrong, I guess. It's... Draw start X, maybe? I don't see it. I have to think. I move it completely over. Here I had canvas, so I move it by the width to the right. Then I have to add draw start or something. Feels also off. Okay, it's here now. I'm so confused. This was far too far. It seems to be mirroring at the... from the center. So it worked for the one which is exactly in the middle. But one which is a bit off, it does not. To think a bit. Do I draw the image differently in this case? I stole it from here. I do some values differently. Source and destination. So let's think. I draw this normally. Can I draw this one in the wrong direction and it's will work out? This also feels off, but let's see. It is one closer now, but it's still off. So I scale it in the negative, so on the wrong side. I move it all over. This only works when it's centered. Which means my translate is incorrect. I understand. This means I cannot move it in a way which works. Can I? So something flips together with it, I guess. Scale negative, move over. And my draw start Y is now, draw start X needs to be altered. This is basically, by me I have to move here. This is based on to the right, it has to be to the left. So I have a const offset, mirror offset is, what is it? Need this value, and I need to subtract the x canvas width halved, basically. This gives me how far away is the way around or this way around. I currently don't know. If this is bigger, then I have a positive value. If it's smaller, I have a negative. And if it's 0, I don't do nothing. And this is what I subtract or add, I guess. Let's try. One of both will be, might be correct. I will see. Too fast? Both are incorrect. Interesting. So I said, in the middle it doesn't matter. This one was not enough. I'm confused. Isn't this moving in the incorrect direction? Let's try without again. I moved it to here, didn't I? If I this staying in place. Draw start x minus width halved. This feels like what I need. It did not work out. Do I translate to a different position maybe? If I translate here and then do a 0, maybe something like this. Maybe this is also not too far away. And if I now minus this, randomly trying around. No, it's in the correct corner. Okay. Let's believe it works now. Okay, now let's go to... Can I... No, my upgrade adds this thing. Can I add them the other way around? Or will they always be displayed? Q and E. Okay, can... I never saw Q. Always do EQ here. Doesn't matter. But this is... I'll keep it this way, I guess. Tower rotate. It's not necessarily rotate, but it's, what is the word for it? Tower orbit? Okay, but this feels like it's coming together now. Add button to rotate towers is done. Connected to ID is something I need to check. But now I have the rotate button. Tower builder attach rotate. Commit connected to ID. Something like this was in here. Connect. Probably a misspelling again or something. Contented to ID. With ID. So first of all, contated. I don't think there's anything connected to ID. What do I do with it? Update tower which has deleted ID. Get tower connection count. Connected to ID. So I guess they all work inside the ability object, so I don't need to reset the IDs if they are attached mode, I believe. So probably not, the matter does not balance different choices, limit place range. The limit I did. I probably now need a new tower one. Tower. Let's play one round against small enemies, attached mode. I want to try Ice Aura, I guess. Wait. Another try. I want Ice Aura a bit to the front. And low. Go. More towers. Line damage, I guess. 2 more towers. 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 I can rotate. I stop it first. I don't care. Bonus HP, movement speed. Shouldn't. Tower damage, HP rec. 2 more towers. Where am I? 2 more towers. Okay. I do more bonus HP. Bonus HP. Damage. Damage. Tower damage. HP rec. Blind damage. What was this for boss? I don't know. Movement speed. Blind damage. The HP rec. Tower damage. HP. Again. HP. Tower damage. There was a boss. What? Okay, killed him. I think this is the easiest. Blind damage. Just wait for. Okay, destroyed. HP regen, tower damage. Do more HP, line damage. Okay, and now I will see. I think this setup is far too weak. But I have. This is strange. This is a tower builder. And he is not connected. What is this for, boss? And now I can... The tank he was, I think. 350 million is 7 times more. So normally I would be... Is it broken? So something doesn't add up in this case. This will take quite a while for him to die. Interesting. And it's hard to change the setup later. I would love... I think I really want to wait this. I mean, on my point of view, he looks broken. Maybe he placed the first one or something. Till now they were all working all the time. Nothing is connecting is also, but yes, something is missing. The very first. They're just shooting. Should I reset or not? I think I should reset. Something feels off here. I want to verify. The lines disappeared. Interesting. What did I break? Renamed. Ah! Ah, yes, this is saved, connected to IDness and doesn't no longer exist. This means I break only this new stuff. Okay, I understand. I cannot use him with a broken state, basically. Set. Let's cheat a bit. King reduced. Tower builder, lot of experience. Let's just add stuff. I have this is my setup. I'm king now. What? I didn't know. I painted where they are. Ooh. Interesting. So if my king would have towers at the start, it would be painted. Wonder if they do damage. There should be some code which prevents it. I have still a bit time to check, I guess. Let's find out. When I paint ability tower, I should check. I check if it's disabled. What is this case? The ticking should be aware of it. I don't tick it, I paint it, this is correct. This is a king. I have no data about it. I have to check. I cannot. I put it on my list. Okay, this might be more complicated than I thought. Bug tower king sign paints towers far away. When using sheet close king on king sign can see towers in king. Okay, I have it. So this I checked. Now I want to see 150. This hurts so much, but wait, did I get a 20? No, this was circle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can I? Okay, but this looks correct. Close king area. They are correct again. Okay. What I want, okay. I reach my time limit. This is added, this is done. Balance, I can think about balancing. Test and balance. Test and balance different choices. I should run my tests. I should expect my tower to now fail. It has to fail. Fails. Short builder fails. It's expected. Question is, do I want to have two test ones for both cases? Perfect. So this was something I fixed here, not just renaming. Forgot. What was it? Is it just renaming? I checked this value. Ah, okay, okay, okay. Spelling correction. Okay, I can push it so it gets deployed. This means this version is now live. I need Tower Builder. I need short builder, test ones, short builder, short king, and maybe this is it. I deployed it, I committed. I think I'm done for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.